Guys, in my last video, molten copper just bounced off the non-Newtonian fluid and couldn't burn or bake it from the inside the balloon. But what if we put something equally hot but solid and heavy on a non-Newtonian fluid? Yes, it will be a glowing 1000-degree metal ball. And let's start. Seems to be ready, so let's do it. Did you see that? The ball just jumped off the non-Newtonian fluid, but then began to sink and boil the fluid around itself. Okay, it's time to stop it. And as expected, non-Newtonian fluid just got frozen. But the ball is still hot. Let's get it and see what's inside. Guys, I will show in my next videos the most crazy and unusual ideas for my next experiments, so be sure to share your thoughts. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.